Hello guys, this is Vakas Ahmed, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys the most asked questions by the people who are newly in this construction industry or planning control industry. The question is how to divide your project into manageable units, or how to prepare your project summary, or how to prepare your project work breakdown structure. So guys, before going into the details, I will request everybody to subscribe this channel so that in future whatever video I'm going to upload on this channel will be in your range on time, because I'm going to make very valuable videos every time. So guys, don't miss these videos, subscribe. So now I'm talking about project summary, project scope management. Whenever you are going to apply project management on your projects, whatever your project is, either it is IT project, electrical, MEP, civil, any project, your project management rules, your project management standards will be the same. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the thumb rule, how to prepare your project WBS or deliverable stages or more manageable units, which we call work packages. So let's have an example. You have a construction project which is mixed scope of work kind of thing, like civil works is there, are there MEP works is there are electrical works, IT works, there are different kind of, so that is kind of complex project. So first you have to break down your project into the first level of WBS, which will be engineering, procurement and construction. This is called your project level 1. Further, you have to divide your project into the next level. Design will be broken down into the basic design and detailed design. Procurement will be broken down into the next level as per long lead items or bulk items, and construction will be further divided into your phase 1 and phase 2. And here is the tip of the day. What is the tip? A lot of people ask me the things that maybe WBS is kind of rigid thing. It's not like that. It is very flexible. Every time you have new project, you have to sit down with your team and conduct meetings to settle this construction project deliverables as your project available conditions or scope of work. So here construction activities can be subdivided into phase 1, phase 2, and phase 1 will further divided into zone or area, and this area will be further divided into disciplines. Discipline can be civil works, mechanical works, electrical works, HVAC, plumbing, your IT, and further these disciplines will be divided into work packages. I will mention here there are two types of WBS, deliverable and work package. Deliverable can be subdivided into further stages, whereas work package cannot be subdivided. Activities will come under work packages. So work package is the lowest detail in WBS, whereas activity is the lowest detail of your project. So that is the way you have to break down your project in from top to bottom level in a very sequential way, so that your project summary can be defined in very understandable way. So guys, that is the thumb rule for today's video. I hope you guys understand the thumb rule, the methodology which I adopted, which I got from my 10 years of experience. If you have any query, you can write down in comment area, or if you are looking forward to have professional training of project planning control using professional softwares like Primavera P6 or Microsoft Project, you can visit our website, you can WhatsApp